Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up TP-Link RE305 Wi-Fi range extender. 1. Connect the extender to a power outlet and turn it on. 2. Connect your computer or mobile device to the extender's wireless network. The network name should be something like TP-Link_extender_XXXXXX. 3. Open a web browser and enter TP-Linkrepeater.net in the address bar. If you are prompted for a login, the default username is usually admin, and the default password is admin. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the extender, including selecting the wireless network that you want to extend. Once you have finished, you should test the extender by moving away from your router and checking if the wireless signal is still strong. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.